it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Nava New channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix when you can't hear Instagram video sound. So let's get started. Well, if you want to watch a video on Instagram but the sound is not there, so you can't hear any sound or any voice, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up Play Store to make sure that the app is updated. So open up Play Store, and after that tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the search bar and type in Instagram, then search. So as you see here, mine it says update. So here, to fix this problem, then tap on update and wait till the app is fully up to date. And then you can go back and watch the video and the sound will be there. Another thing that you can do to fix this problem, here we're gonna swipe from the right corner of your phone and make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. So if it's turned on, maybe it is connected to an AirPods maybe. So make sure to toggle it off. And like that, you won't have any problem in hearing video sounds on Instagram. Now the other thing that we're gonna try is to turn off also the battery saver. Normally that saves the battery, but sometimes it slows down apps and their features, for example sound. So make sure to toggle it off. The last thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna open up our settings and clear Instagram cache. So we're gonna scroll all the way down and look for apps option. So tap on it. And after that, tap on the second option, manage apps. This interface will appear, so scroll all the way down and look for Instagram. So tap on it and tap on clear data at the bottom right corner and then clear cache and confirm. So that should clear if there's any bugs, and that should fix your problem. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.